Greeting, my dear student. Welcome to Titash Online School, Titash Kumilla. How are all? I hope that all are well. I am also well. I am Amritulal, Assistant Teachers of Jabalpur Sadhana High School, Titash Kumilla. Today, I will discuss about changing sentence for class 6. It is not only class 6 but also another classes. Now let's start my class. Dear students, look at the whiteboard and listen to me. Boys, Bengali means bacha. Definition: boys is the form of the verb in the sentence that show whether the subject acts or is act upon is called boys. My dear student, type of boys. There are two kinds of boys, such as number 1, active boys, number 2, passive boys. Subject and object. I, hole me, you hole you, we thakle us, she thakle her, he, him, they, them, name thakle name hobe. Rules 1. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Active voice. Active voice. Passive voice. Active voice subject. Present indefinite tense structure. Subject plus B1 means verb present form with S oblique ES plus object. Student, passive এর সাবজেক্ট হবে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসের অবজেক্ট হবে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসের সাবজেক্ট। verb অর্থাৎ অক্সিলারি ভার্ব am oblique is oblique are plus verb b3 means past participle plus by plus active voice subject passive voice object হবে। Dear student, look at the whiteboard. Rules 1. Present indefinite tense. Active voice rules. Subject B1 means verb present form with S or ES. Object passive voice object active object subject am is are. B3 means verb past participle from প্লাস বাই প্লাস সাবজেক্ট হবে অবজেক্ট। ফর এক্সাম্পল, active boys, I eat rice. Subject I eat বা rice, object passive হবে object subject হবে rice, এই রাইসের সাথে auxiliary verb is, rices, মূল ভার্বের past participle from eat, eaten, participle from হচ্ছে eaten, eaten by me. Dear student, look at the whiteboard. Active voice subject I, verb eat, object rice. Passive voice এর object হবে subject. তাহলে আমাদের object কি আছে? rice. Passive voice এর subject হলো auxiliary verb rice এর সাথে eats, মূল ভার্বের past participle eat থেকে eaten, সূত্রের by, I এর object me, I এর object me. Another example for you. Active, passive, you, play, football. You subject play, verb football, object the football, object হবে subject football, ফুটবলের সাথে auxiliary verb is, মূল ভার্বের past participle play, play past participle হচ্ছে played, সূত্রে by, your object you. My dear students, you play football, passive football, auxiliary verb is, মূল verb play থেকে played by you. Football is played by you. Another rules, follow me. Present, continuous, tense. Active voice, passive voice. Subject, am oblique is oblique are plus B1 means verb present form এর সাথে ing plus object. Passive voice object হবে subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus being হবে plus মূল ভার্বের বৃদ্ধি plus by plus subject হবে object. Dear students, active subject passive voice active object passive subject হবে am is are plus being plus be3 verb past participle plus by plus subject active subject passive object হবে. For example, active voice passive voice I subject I এর সাথে am I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Subject I am auxiliary verb read principal verb a book object. তাহলে object হবে subject object a book principal verb auxiliary verb subject object a book is auxiliary verb book এর সাথে is being মূল ভার্বের past participle read তাহলে read by I am object me. I am reading a book. Passive voice হবে a book is being read by me. Another example, Karim eat a Karim is eating a mango. Karim is eating a mango. Karim subject is auxiliary verb, eat principal verb, a mango object. তাহলে অবজেক্টের সামনে আসবে a mango is being principal verb eaten by সূত্রে by object Karim থেকে Karim. Karim is eating by a mango is being eaten by Karim. Write your papers. Wait for 1 minute. Dear students, rules 2. 3 present perfect. Present perfect tense, active voice, active voice, passive voice, subject plus have oblique has plus mole verb past participle plus object. Subject have oblique has mole verb past participle plus object. Passive voice object হবে subject have been oblique has been plus মূল ভার্বের be3 plus by plus subject হবে object. Dear student, active voice subject plus have oblique has plus be3 plus object. Passive voice হবে objective subject plus have been oblique has been plus be3 plus by plus subject হবে object. For example, active voice active we have eaten a mango. Subject we, auxiliary verb have, principal verb eaten, object a mango. Active voice হবে objective subject, object আছে a mango, a mango, a mango এর সাথে has been, a mango has been mole verb past participle eaten by we object us. তাহলে active voice we have eat a mango and passive voice হবে a mango has been eaten by us. Dear students, another part I will discuss next class. See you again. Thank you.